Okay, so I'm in front of a house that we just put a full 6-inch gutter system on with Raindrop gutter guards. And what I want to do in this video is just kind of do a walk around. I'm going to talk about what used to be here and the problems that this house had because of the small gutters, and talk about what we've done to fix it so it's no longer an issue for this homeowner. Here we go. Okay, so this is the house. You might recognize it because I did a short on it last week talking about us using 6-inch gutters on a house that's a smaller home. This is about 1,600 square feet if I had to guess. But first of all, you know, this house has 6-inch gutters. We've got 3 by 4 inch downspouts. What used to be here were the small 2 by 3 inch downspouts. And they did some weird stuff. Like the original downspout would actually come out of there and it came down here and dumped out this way. We've shortened that run significantly, and now we have it just dumping out right here. The color we used is tuxedo gray. It looks very good with these IKO shingles. We replaced some rotten wood underneath here. You can see a little bit of wood there. They're gonna end up doing some more painting and stuff, but we have to replace everything that's rotten. And on this side of the house, there was no gutter here at all. So you can see all of this moss here. This is actually from the lack of gutter, how it used to be, and water would just come out and just hammer this area. We do have a downspout here. There needs to be, you know, a little extension or even a splash block. But now the water that's coming off of this valley is completely manageable with a little bit of work down here on the ground, and it's not going to erode the landscaping anymore or get into the foundation. Now that we're back here on the back of the house, you can see we did gutters all the way around. Now, there used to be a really bad issue here, and I think there is still an issue with this pad where it kind of goes backwards. But with the old gutter system, it actually would empty out right here onto this pad and just make the problem 10 times worse. What we did is we actually rerouted over here to the side. So it's not contributing to the drainage problem that's already back here. This concrete work is something totally separate from the gutters, but we definitely don't want to be adding to the problem. Let's talk about the finish real quick. So this is actually pre-finished metal. This is all aluminum, so it's lightweight, but it's still very strong. Pre-finished, which is a baked on enamel color. This color will last a very long time. It's a Kynar finish, so it's going to last honestly longer than the roof that's up there and the paint that's on the soffit right now. Okay, so the original gutters on this home had what's called a spike and ferrule system. So it was essentially a long nail that would drive through the face of the gutter into the fascia and hopefully a rafter here. We've completely gotten rid of that system. This is a hidden hanger system. I'm gonna hop up on the roof and show you some more about that. What a spike and ferrule system is instead of having these hangers and screws, it was essentially a long a long nail that was driven in through the entire gutter system into the fascia, hopefully hitting a rafter. But when we looked at this house and the gutter system, this right here was completely pulling away from the house. And that's a big problem with those spike and ferrule systems, is they just simply start coming off. So now with these hidden hanger systems, we don't have to worry about this coming off anymore. This is a very strong gutter system. It can handle a ton of debris now and a lot of water. We're not sacrificing the amount of water we're catching by having a different type of gutter guard like a helmet where a lot of the water just shoots off. This Raindrop system is awesome at catching all the water. Here's an overview from the top of the roof. It just looks like a black line going across. That's all Raindrop gutter guards. It's a very clean look. Let's hop down real quick. Overall, this system looks really good on this house. There's some other work that I know the homeowner's getting done, but this is something they wanted to go ahead and get taken care of because it was causing rot along the fascia and eroding a lot of this flower bed down here. But I know some people are gonna say, oh yeah, 5-inch gutters are all you need, blah, blah, blah. Honestly, for the little bit of money you spend extra to get the 6-inch gutters, it's totally worth it. It doesn't look bad at all. To a normal person, they would not think this is any different from a standard gutter. I think it looks awesome.